Here we are again in North Worcestershire. On cue, the sun is coming out. Now, this is a very interesting proposition. I want you to bear with me for a moment. Firstly, it must be very difficult to imagine, as I'm stood here, that we're only a mile from the centre of Bewdley, historic Georgian town in North Worcestershire, and that's to the west, and to the east only 2 miles from Kidderminster. Now, there are 4 elements to what we're selling here. Firstly, you can see behind me, we've got circa 35 acres of mostly this wonderful parkland. That's number 1. We've got a main house approaching 2,300 square feet, a former pump house that's been converted. Very nice, a lot of opportunity there. There's a separate mostly steel frame barn, and then above all, the really icing on the cake here is the income potential, because here there is existing glamping units. There's also permission for touring caravans, up to 5 touring caravans. So really worth coming and have a look. I'm at the Ling Farm. It's Bewdley, Worcestershire. Hopefully now you've managed to have a nice view of what's really involved here, particularly from the air, and I'm stood here by a bit of a safari theme here. One of the key elements from the income point of view of this business is that we're opposite the entrance to the safari park down by the roadside, and at Kidderminster and Bewdley you've also got the Severn Valley Railway, and people travel from all over, including overseas, to come and visit the area. But my name's Richard Harper. I represent Fine Country here in Worcestershire. If you want to come and have a look at the Ling Farm, contact myself or my colleague Helena Day.